I believe if you talk about supply chain 5 years ago, people say, oh, supply chain, they're just moving products around, shipping, that's the perception of supply chain. But now if you talk about supply chain, people say, oh, you are working in supply chain, you are the focus of the whole business, you are the one to make it happen. This is such a challenging environment, if you can utilize the solution to give you better availability to manage your R&Os from the inventory point of view, and you're going to succeed and you're going to do a better job than your competitors.
How effective has the product been for you?
Versus the last solution, I would say, is a game changer because the fact that first of all, it's a cloud-based system. And secondly, it's end-to-end, from supply chain perspective, upstream to downstream. And it can cater for large amounts of data, got very advanced algorithms for all the planners to spend more time in the analytical type of work and reduce their low payoff activities like crunching data, working Excels. And from that sense, it supports the workflow management as well. People talking about systems and people are using different systems, but it will always be a privilege and beneficial to have everything sitting in one umbrella.
Could you imagine your life right now without the product?
No, no. Especially since pandemic, because I think one of the word has been used so frequently since pandemic is unprecedented. And the question we stopped to ask as well is what's coming next, because there are so many surprises. And without the support from the system, I can't believe, we're going to survive it, because, you are not going to have on-time data, you are not going to have on-time analysis to give you to make the right decisions.